Neil McAvoy, leader of the Welsh National Party. I'm in London at the moment, just by Regent's Park, and I'm going on a bit of a pilgrimage, somewhere really special. The place we're going is really significant in Welsh history, mae'n bwysig iawn. I'm just walking up Primrose Hill now, and that may be a clue to some of you out there, because just at the top of this hill, back in 1792, Iolo Morgannwg had the idea to recreate the bardic tradition and recreate the Eisteddfod. And just up there, just up this hill, and from something so small at that time, an acorn, if you like, the great oak of Welsh culture and the annual Eisteddfod grew. I'm at the top of Primrose Hill now, and a beautiful view of London. But if you look down, there's the memorial to Iolo Morgannwg. Now, Iolo Morgannwg was a visionary who created the tradition that we have now at the Eisteddfod right here. The first ever Eisteddfod here in the centre of London. Got taken back to Wales, and we all know what a great celebration it is every year. I wonder what they would have said standing here looking around London. The views would have been a lot different then. But what has not changed is that decisions about Wales are made here in London, in England, and that has to change. That's why we're launching the Welsh National Party on the 3rd of April, to bring about individual sovereignty, people having the power over their own lives, community sovereignty, communities having a real say on what happens in their local communities, and national sovereignty, where we can stand on our own 2 feet as a country and find our own way in the world.